up, guys? We are on our way to the car meet.
Morning.
Stars shining bright above me.
Be in a video. It's man beer.
Stop to get some gas and some goodies. Guys, I don't think tonight is going to crack. We just pulled up and shit you not, we've seen probably like maybe a good 8 cops already. From the looks of it, they're gonna shut this shit down before it starts. We'll see what happens. Made a quick little pit stop to avoid the one time at Chick-fil-A.
I'm gonna back in right here, alright?
Got a veggie wrap since I do not eat meat. What do you guys think? Is tonight gonna crack? Or is it gonna be a dud? I don't know. There's about like 8 cops already waiting for the show to start. Scared to come back here because like when we pulled up there was like 8 cops, but I think slowly people are going to start showing up. We'll see what happens. Guys, so this is where we're at. We've got a few people here now. Not as much as there usually is because the cops shut us down earlier, but it's something. Got the mamalona right here. Mamalona right here, right here. Daddy right there, right there.
You
does
know,
do
if
that.
people behind you and you go do it, you might be like, hey man, what's
I
up?
have the EFI
we're
Live
big
5
guilty.
tune, so I just
What do you leave it in, like a tow tune?
yeah, exactly. So don't roll it.
It probably gives good fuel economy too, though. Don't
On
it?
the highway, yeah. We drove 2.5 hours. Bring his ass over here.
Yeah, 'cause I'm down here doing work for the fires,
Gotcha.
and we stay at the hotel right there. And the first night we heard it, I said, "What in the fuck's going on over here?"
Hell yeah.
I've seen it 3 times now, and I guess y'all do it every Tuesday.
Yeah.
Tuesday here. What is it? Tuesday here, Saturday in the Walmart parking lot.
Walmart Saturday.
Yep.
Some action.
It's on wire.
For pop.
That's a
Guys, the cops, they're just not letting us function. Guess that's what it is in California. I don't know, maybe next week we'll go to Desert Willow. What is it called? Babe, what's it called? Desert Willow? Desert Willow Springs?
what?
Is that what it's called?
What, the racetrack?
Yeah.
Willow Springs.
I don't know. They're kind of shitting on our parade. What you think? Maybe next week we go there? Are you
Somewhere,
with that
we go
party?
somewhere. We get something. Hell yeah.
Guys, I'm telling you, the
Somebody rip a
police
burnout,
is
fuck it.
not letting us do shit tonight.
yeah.
The fucking Nissan had to jump in because none of these motherfuckers would do shit. And look, he took one for the fucking team because the fucking cops got his ass. God damn it.
Nobody's getting hurt. Just leave them.
You can put my hand up. Hey, look, can I hop in the car already, bro? You can take the back seat. Come on, bro. You tripping it, Jit?
My dad's a lawyer.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't get ready.
Oh, I got my hands up. Back up. Back up. You guys come up. Back up.
You don't have traction control. He made too sharp of a turn.
You gotta pick up his daughter! Hey, this is my time.
She gonna be hot. You out here doing
Where?
Right here.
People like get mad if they're not recording. So yeah, guys, this is what happens when you're fucking bored in Palmdale. You come out, you hang out, and you just sit around until the cops come. Cops. And then you go home. Oh, it's that guy by the car? What's going on?
I don't know what the fuck happened. Oh, my bad, bro. You're good, bro.
He's on drugs. He's wearing no shirt. What's going on? He's wearing no style. This one's about to get involved. Watch it happen. Cops are coming. Guys, lots of cops are here now. Cop there, cop the other side. truck race. The cops are right there, and the cops are right there. It's really going on, guys. Oh, God. Natoya, follow us.
Let's go over there real quick. Get down. He almost folded his shit under. I think when he hit it, he would have folded it.
90 se ve por el boulevard. Bajita se ve pasar. Una 38 carga por si se quiere pasar. Usa Judas en el pecho, siempre me miran usar. Es el que de valor yo me agarré. No había casi para comer. Ahora ya me superé. Soy tal y muchos amigos ya me han de conocer.